Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a Friday afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange media broadcast booth overlooking the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm in a very good mood. Super Thursday is over, and it's about to be a super weekend here in the tri-state area because supposedly the summer weather will be returning. Well, finally arriving, I should say. Fingers crossed. But I'm also excited because it's about that time. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets there are about to close, and here I'm out on Wall Street. That means one thing. You know what time it is. It's time for Happy Hour in the Big Apple. Now, it's been an active trading week here at the New York Stock Exchange, and for the most part, the week has been all about politics. And this session, no different. The UK general election saw a wildly unexpected result, and the world continues to take in former FBI Director James Comey's testimony. It's technically all about May and Comey. First, let's go to the UK as Prime Minister Theresa May's Conservative Party lost its parliamentary majority, coming up with 318 of 650 seats. Conservatives held a 17-seat majority before the election, and some polls expected May's party to retain the majority, while others expected them to build on it. That said, no other party came out with a clear majority, and it looks like there's something called a hung parliament. In other words, so much for the polls, right? Meanwhile, investors continuing to take in former FBI Director James Comey's testimony on Thursday, which some saw as lacking a major smoking gun that could derail President Trump's presidency. Now, a lot was said, but investors appear to be shrugging it all off because the figures this session from the markets are as follows. The Dow Jones hitting an all-time high above 21,300. The S&P 500 also rising to reach a record high, and the Nasdaq hitting a record high right at the open around 63.40. And with all that said, let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just the session, but the week as well. And with that stated, kick back, relax. It's a Friday, so therefore we're going to touch a little bit on sports. The NBA Finals, haven't really been watching, but supposedly it's well done. The NHL Finals, Game 6 is on Sunday. I don't want to talk about the New York Mets. I can't even say it. I continue to remain silent. And for Chelsea FC, it looks like Diego is on his way out. I hope not, but it looks almost certain that he's gone. Either way, no player is bigger than the team, and you always have to support the badge over the player. And if you're in New York City, go out there, enjoy the weather this weekend. It's about time. I'll be surfing. Hopefully you guys will be enjoying the days as well. From out on Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all on Monday, I'm James Sweeney.